Welcome to another video, guys. I am sorry about my voice right now. I have a bit of a cold, so I do apologize for that, but I'm here on another video for you guys to talk about exactly what do we do on Friday, right? So I want to show you guys something really cool that I have, okay, in my notes. So let's just close this for a second because I want to only focus on these notes right here. I want you to see it. Okay, so a couple of things I wanted to talk about which help me deal with my pro system and the people who are going in, and why do I have this kind of schedule in place, right? So as you can see, it's Sunday, self-development Sunday, Monday is mining Monday, Tuesday is trading Tuesday, Wednesday is winning Wednesday, Thursday is traffic Thursday, Friday is questions plus video, so that's today, okay? And then you have super consistent Saturday, okay? There's a reason why all of these features, let's say, come on a certain day, okay? It allows me, and I wanted to give you guys this tip today, really, to not only figure out maybe when you're building your list in the beginning what you can do, how you can do it, what kind of a pattern you would need even for your follow-up series. You can use this for a follow-up series. You can use this for, I wouldn't say use this in this pattern for a follow-up series, just because you might have people coming onto in your business on a Monday or on a Sunday or on a Tuesday. So you don't want them to get the email for self-development Sunday on a Tuesday, right? But what you can do is use it as a guideline then in terms of how you should structure that each element of your business should be in place. So if you have a marketing system like I do, which I use Online Sales Pro, it has to be in my setup, right? So I can write an email and have that there always. So each and every day, for example, I have a 30-day, actually 17 email, 18 email to be exact, follow-up series, which takes everyone through a journey. It takes them to the journey where they can actually go and see what it is I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, okay? So that's something I have, but I don't space it out every day. I want them to get used to me, in the inbox every day, but in the beginning they're not. So I allow them to have it once every couple of days in the beginning, and then it's every single day they get an email from me. Why do I send them every single day at the end? It's because by the end of the day, by the end of the email series, that they do get, which is any which way, is supposed to do two things. It's primarily what I love to see is conversions, firstly, and secondly is filtering out people. So the unsubscribe rate, I like to see that there's unsubscribers, because the moment that there are unsubscribers, it means that I'm doing my job correctly and actually getting serious people who are interested to work with me to stay on my list. Not the people who are what I call 95 percenters and will give up within less than a month. I want the 5 percenters who will stick with it for a long time, because this plan is not a short-term plan or anything, okay? So definitely it's a filtering process, as well as I said, conversion process. So I need to focus on both of those things. If I'm not getting conversions, then I need to change things. Okay, there's a lot of times people that will definitely talk about traffic, and me too, me included, okay? Just marketing in general, but they will forget to tell you, or they will not tell you on purpose, that there is some work that you need to put in before you actually drive traffic to your funnel. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect work, but it has to be work, okay? The foundations need to be put in. This is not a get rich quick or something that's going to happen overnight for you. No, we are taking a business seriously, which is why I tell people usually to go all in the businesses that I have. So the businesses that I have primarily, okay, one is FutureNet. I tell people to go into FutureNet, and this video over here explains it so well that I don't mind that it's a 1-hour video in my funnel, because I want people to go back to it. I want, if they come to me and say, but how do I get started? What is FutureNet exactly? I send them back here, because they should be looking and watching this whole video. Okay. So if you click on it, you can see it's 1 hour and 42. In fact, I've left usually I don't leave this, this bar on my videos, but I have in this case because I know that sometimes when you come back to it, you need to scroll up and down and actually go and check out the video. Okay. So it does take a bit of time, but it explains every aspect of it. Now, I explain my plan right here in the second video. Okay, so that's a cool thing. I'm giving you what the company does in 3 main big income streams. And then I show you the plan right here. And I tell you very specifically in what I have to share that I think everyone, let me just find that page. It's a little before this, yeah. I think everyone should be in at least at the $100 level. Okay. Why am I saying this? You spend a total of 185. Yes, you're spending a total of 185 here. And then maybe you buy another 10 ad packs. Okay. 10 to whatever amount of ad packs. If you go for 10 ad packs, you spend another 500. So that's 685 that you're already spending just on FutureNet alone. And then maybe you go to Futuro Network, which is the cryptocurrency side, and spend another 100. So you're spending within 1,000. And I would say go all in and spend within 1,000. Spend as much as you can in order for you to get the highest results. So I would say minimum 100 is here. Minimum. Okay. Future Ad Pro would say minimum 10 ad packs you would start with. Okay. But already telling you that it comes to more or less around 1,000, around 1,000 US dollars. Okay. That you're spending. It's okay. Go all in, because if you treat this, I want those 5%ers, and I feel like there's a need for the mentality shift to happen. Okay. And what do I mean by that? The mentality shift is somebody will come and say, hey, let's try FutureNet. Let's see. It's only $10. Let's see what we can do. Unfortunately, this kind of mentality is not going to help you, not going to help anybody else, because even though I might tell you it's $10, $25, $50, whatever it is, okay, at the end of the day, you have to put in the work in order for you to earn that money. So if you come with the attitude that you're going to try and not put in effort, not even give a damn, I'm sorry about my language, but it's true, okay, then you're not giving a damn because you are trying it, right? You're spending $10. You spend $30 sometimes on a meal. So it's less than even a meal that you were out for. And you might, just tell yourself, no, I'm going to try it. And you don't really do anything about it. So when you come out in at a higher level, you are more serious. You are more committed. You are more long-term. Okay. The reason why is psychologically what we do is we focus on making our money worth it. So we take the time for first month, second month, third month, implement, to take action. Listen to my strategy, for example, right? So point I wanted to make with all of this and the plan is that it gives you a structure in what kind of emails you send out every week, every day. It gives you where do you send it every day as well, so you get people. And there will reach a time where you're focusing only on free members or people who are just joining, who are just signing up, right? I am not worried about how many people. I'm worried that I'm following the plan. My main aim is to follow the plan. The moment I follow the plan, others will follow the plan. Okay? I need you guys to think about this because I've seen this myself happen. I believed in the plan, I had a plan, but I was not following it and expected others to do the same. You can't do that. Okay? The moment you follow the plan, others will. And I follow this plan to the minute detail, guys. Exactly what I'm showing you, that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay? So it's up to you now whether you actually want to take action. And on a Friday like this, come on, you can actually think about it. But more than anything else, FutureNet has given me not only the security that online companies can go offline and can have a stability, but they have a growth pattern that is unprecedented year after year. So if you were skeptical last year, the year before that, get into Future Ad Pro because it's a revenue sharing site, or Futuro Network because it's a cryptocurrency that you're not sure of, or FutureNet because it's a social media company that pays you 80% of what it earns. Now, what I would suggest to you right now is to take a big deep breath. Think about it. Are you ready to take this seriously? If you're not, go away from this video. Don't watch anymore. But if you actually are ready to take this seriously, there's a link in the description of the video, which specifically is called the Pro System. Click on that, sign up, free. I'm saying it free. It's so strange, but I'm saying it free just so that you know that I know that there are many people who do that. Okay? And I want you to make a commitment to yourself. Are you going to be a trier, or you be one of those 5% who sticks with it? Have a great day. My name is David Pindo. This is a Friday, and I'm excited to put out this content for you guys and show you a little bit how I am functioning on a day-to-day basis in order for you to get whatever tips you need and continue building your business. Other than that, FutureNet and FutureAd Pro is one of the main elements of my funnel, where I build not only FutureNet and FutureAd Pro, but also continuously keep the wheel running with outside traffic because of these sources. Okay, link is in the description. I'm going to see you on the next video. Guys, keep awesome. Have a great weekend, and most probably I will have another video out tomorrow as well. Have a great day.